Bang, eh?
Oh shit.
Taking out the fitment, nice and fucking flush of the line.
See? Huh, looks like it needs to go up.
It'll go with the chicken with the body.
Once you cut that out, it will sit properly.
David's got his Stardast wide body kit. Gonna prep it today. Damn!
What about me?
Oh, Josh is down there doing his camber arms.
What about me?
It's a Drift Z. Wrapping the side skirts today. Got some
Stuff anywhere.
gold heat tape. It's gonna look sick. Time to wrap the side skirts so that it matches with the rest of the car. All you need is a heat gun and a blade. There's a blade. Side skirts are done, wrapped. Prepping all these panels, all the wide body. Boom!
Like a board.
Yeah, boy, look at that. Just go do the front bar now. Should I wrap it? That'd be hard. Minor bog job. These ones are all ready to go. Wide body soon. Alright, time to wrap the fenders. Let's give it a go.
Like I bought one.
Let's see. Nice.
Yeah, mate. You reckon?
There's the ugly side. And then you got your good side. Is he taking a video? It's like my first 350Z turbo. Drove it 10 meters.
Say I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your...
It's like shit. Did you wipe it down?
Yeah.
Tacos. What are you doing now?
Just bringing it down.
All done?
All done. Just change the screw on this tire. I think it needs a new screw.
Yeah. We've done it for you, so now you're safe to go.
Fuck yeah!
I like how that's been painted, that looks cool.
Painted? No.
Yeah, that's been painted, hasn't it?
No.
No?
I
you
thought
bought
the
it like
same
that?
thing as well because it does look a bit reflective, doesn't it?
Yeah. So what, you just pre-bought the outside thing? This?
No, it just came with it.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What from PPQ? From PPQ?
Yeah.
Bang! Oh shit.